Good morning to all believers of Christ. Welcome to my channel. Today, as what God promised in book of Deuteronomy chapter 20 verse 4, you will become victorious. Don't skip this video and I will share to you how to become victorious today and forever. So, hindi nyo ito maririnig sa iba dahil iba-iba naman yung pag-explain at revelation ni God sa bawat isa na nagbibigay o nagsishare ng salita ng Diyos. So, bawat isa na tagasunod ni Kristo or believers ay may kanya-kanyang revelation. Pero this revelation is in my personal experience with God and the battle of God for me. So, if you have a Bible, just open it with me in the book of Deuteronomy chapter 20 verse 4. I will read it first at basahin nyo lang din. For the Lord your God is the one who goes with you to fight for you against your enemy to give you victory. So today, may nag-comment, he commented like that, I am addict. So there is a devil still working even in the social media. So how to become victorious in this battle? So I will promise you as what I promise, beginning today, magiging victorious ka hanggang forever. So, keep tuning in. First, in my life, talagang grabing persecution, grabing betrayal, rejection, accuse me devil, foolish, etc. Idolaters like that. So, maliban doon, merong ding tinatawag na broken relation sa aking girlfriend. So, 2 years kami. So, ayun, nagkalubuan, may pag-away minsan, kaya nagkaroon ng tinatawag na break up. So, nagkaroon ng tinatawag na sobrang pain inside my heart. So, dahil doon, very strong ang spirit of pain, spirit of heart inside my heart. So, nagpasting na nga ako ng 9 days dati. Tapos nag-fasting din ako ng 40 days I think. Pero before ang 40 days, 9 days muna yung fasting ko. So grabe yung pain, grabe talaga ang pain. So strong, parang hindi ko na kayang dalhin. So kasi I fight for my battle. So nakalimutan, hindi ko nabasa ang verse nito na Deuteronomy chapter 20 verse 4. Kaya I fight for my battle. I just rebuke Satan. I just speak in tongues like that. But it's not working. So lalayo lang ang kaaway, si Satan o ang evil away from you a little longer lang itong babalik. So hindi natin alam, inside our heart there is something strange, yung tinatawag na the spirit of pain. So hindi yan sa Diyos yung nasasaktan, kayong puso mo na nasasaktan. So hindi yan sa Diyos. So it's a Satan spirit live in you. Before we come out from the womb of our mother, is nandoon na yung tinatawag na kasalanan ng ating ama na si Adan at si Eva. So napasok doon ang iba't ibang mga spirit of pain, pride like that. Nung lumabas tayo, so ayun, na-continuous na yung pain sa ating loob ng ating puso. So if you look at my previous vlog, so you can check it out. So ayun, ang panahon na yon, sobrang sakit talaga, grabe, parang sobrang mahulog na yung puso ko sa sakit kahit nagpasting pa ako. So one thing I said to the Lord, I tell to the Lord that I said, I am tired, Lord, I am tired, Lord. So, yun. Then the Lord moved in that moment. Someone is sent me a message, this verse, in my text, in my number. So, nung nabasa ko, nag-start na yung aking crying, my tears falling in my eyes, and then I feel groan in my heart. So in that moment talaga is na-release ako dahil sa message na yon ng hindi ko naman sa kaibigan talaga, one of my mga kilala o kakita-kita lang minsan. So hindi talaga kaibigan. So at least ginamit siya ng Diyos na isend ako ng message na ganito, yung for the Lord your God is the one who goes with you to fight for you against your enemy to give you victory. And in that moment, nagiging victorious ako. Until now, nagiging victorious ako. Excuse me. So, ang ginawa ko, naging laman na ito ng isip ko. So every time na may mga sitwasyon na ganyan, so I put it into my mind na hinahayaan ko si God na lumaban para sa akin. So today, maybe pagod ka na sa buhay mo dahil in the battle of spiritual battle na hindi ka manalo-nalo, lagi lang kayong naglalaban, parang araw-araw, oras-oras, away kayo ng away through spiritual warfare. Meron kang rebuke, meron kang speaking tongue, etc. prayer, but still you still fighting for to your enemies who is Satan and other spirits. So hindi ka manalo-nalo. Bakit? You are fighting for your own, na you don't allow God to fight for you. In this book of Deuteronomy chapter 4, chapter 20 verse 4. So hindi mo hinayaan si God na makipaglalaban sa iyo. O bakit? Hindi mo siguro alam pa kung paano gawin ito. So beginning today, ito yung may share ko sa inyo. Put it in your mind. If you are struggle today, you're suffered today, suffering today, or anuman burden today, I share to you, I tell you, I will advise to you, put it in your mind na hayaan mo si God yung makipaglalaban sa iyo for your battle. Hayaan mo si God to fight for you. He promised us to fight for us. Diba sinabi niya in the book of Deuteronomy chapter 20 verse 4, He will fight for us and will give you victory. Diba? So tulad ng sa panahon ni Elijah, then the Elijah saw the millions of angels. Diba? Every time si King David nakipaglaban, hinahayaan niya ang Diyos manguna sa laban. So makipaglaban siya. Pero sa atin kasi, we are in the new generation after Christ. So the promise of God to us is ito, Deuteronomy 20 chapter 4, it is exists today. Kung hayaan mo si God to fight for you, o you will pray, o you will give to God everything, o hindi mo pa talaga kaya ibigay kasi nasanay tayo makipaglaban sa sarili natin to rebuke. So let ask God for wisdom and ano pa ba, basta yung kaalaman na parang siya yung talagang makipaglaban sa iyo. Kasi mahirap ibigay yung pakiglaban ni God sa atin kung talagang nasa flesh pa tayo. Kasi we have doubt. Meron tayong mga double-minded or doubt. Kaya ayun, until now, nakipaglaban ka sa laban na hindi mo naman laban. Laban ng Diyos, yung mga problem natin, yung sufferings natin, yung persecution natin, yung burden natin, yung pain na sa loob mo na hindi naman sa Diyos yan. So tayo ang lumalaban. Kaya still you are in trouble, you are in suffering. But if you get this message today, kung makuha mo ang message na to, ito ay para sa iyo. Ilagay mo lang sa isip mo, kung nasa burden ka ngayon, suffered ka ngayon, ilagay mo lang sa isip mo ito. And ang promise ni God in Deuteronomy chapter 20 verse 4, na hayaan mo si God na makipaglaban sa iyo with your enemies. Believe me, beginning today, you will become victorious. So yan lang. Good morning ulit. God bless us all.